Got ya.
12:21 p.m. and it is Wednesday, January 18th. I'm just having a little bit of coffee.
We didn't have much creamer left. So that's all she gets for coffee today, guys.
We're hoping to maybe buy some
Well,
soon.
This money, if it's only an hour.
I know.
But you're not going to get creamer with that.
Dollar store creamers.
No, the dollar store doesn't even sell creamer.
Yeah, they do.
They sell the powder crap.
And yeah, so we have some new faces. Thank you for so much for support. I gotta do an introduction as that's YouTube's policies. So hi, my name is Clara. I am 29 years old, but I don't act like a 29-year-old. I have a brain of a 10-year-old. My father had punched my mom in the stomach when she was pregnant with me and damaged a nerve in my brain and my legs. This is my life of living a life with a disability. I also have a fiance named David, and he has bipolar. And yeah, so that's my journey of life with a disability. My health issues right now, I'm dealing with my heart. Yeah, so I'm going to be on a heart monitor for 2 weeks. I don't know when. I'll be sent for another echo. And yeah, and I'm dealing with some cavities that are not covered for. Yeah, so that's basically my life journey right now we're working on. And I hope you stay for more. David went down to his neighbor's.
Yeah.
Who's giving a bunch of food before he moves away.
And I established my...
These are the Reese's Pieces with pretzels.
And they are fabulous.
They're really good. And yeah.
Yeah.
And we're going to go out in a little bit.
After she's filled.
Yeah. We'll see you in a bit. Actually, gonna do clean with me.
Yeah.
We're gonna make room in the pantry.
Because we got a lot of food coming.
And we're also gonna get all this stuff
out
of the way for my new coffee stand.
Yeah.
Well, my one that I have in my room.
Yeah.
Because I'm getting a Mr. Coffee at the end of the month.
Yes, we are. And
it's a 3-in-1.
Yeah, it's a good old 3-in-1. Making space because we got about a lot coming.
Yeah. We got so much we don't even know if I need to buy groceries.
Yeah, we'll figure that out as we go.
We'll figure that out at the end of the month.
Yeah, we'll see what we have compared to what we don't have. And that will tell us what we can afford. Because I know she wants her Mr. Coffee, but because of something else that's going on, we're going to take it nice and easy.
But we're probably going to get the Mr. Coffee.
Yeah.
Because David did promise me.
Yes,
right now, coffee, brewer things, and creamer isn't going too well, guys. As you noticed this morning, I only had a small cup of coffee. That was bad.
It was bad. You can come over now. Show them what I've done. Let me get this guy out of here. That top shelf is really long.
Okay, that's a candle holder.
That's a candle.
Yeah, we keep forgetting about that.
Yeah, I know.
I know, right?
Huh? Oh.
Pocahontas book.
Yeah.
Disney.
Ah. Okay, show them what I got done so far.
Us coffee.
Lots of coffee.
Yeah, our shelves.
Then look down one more. I still got some space.
Yeah, we're a little bare. That's the top shelf. But
I'm probably gonna put a lot.
So David's just making some craft dinner. And yeah, And then we're gonna move boxes,
And we're
sweep,
also doing a bit of a more of a
mop.
We're doing also clean.
Yeah, so this isn't gonna be a very fun video. This is gonna mostly be cleaning.
Yes.
But that's life.
But you need to kind of clean our place, guys.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't cleaned this place for over.
Yeah.
It's been 2 years.
Time to
get
organize and
get stuff sorted.
Mm-hmm. So this might be a little bit of a longer video, but we'll see. YouTube's gotten, sometimes they're fast, sometimes they're slow. But if you don't see this, if you don't see this vlog tonight, then it will definitely be up in the morning.
Sometime.
Always.
We always.
Yes, we do daily vlog, but sometimes YouTube is being very slow with us. Like I get into upload process and they say, oh, for a 9-minute video, you'll have like 7 hours. Like it took me 7 hours just to upload that video yesterday. Monday, they were fast. And that was longer than yesterday's. And yeah, so we are making craft dinner and then we're gonna start cleaning. We'll see you in a bit. This is crazy, guys. Look at
that's 861 grams of
David's doing.
KD. That's 3 boxes. That's a family box.
And the water's boiling.
Yes, it is.
And he's gonna pour it in.
Give it a nice little stir. I added some salt to the water.
Excuse me,
so
guys. I kind of burped a little.
I swept in here, but yes, as for the dishes, do not mind them at all. Now we're going to leave that for a bit. Then we got our strainer head. Yes, we do.
See you when they're cooking.
Yeah.
We're gonna end off the video here. We're gonna do sweeping and mopping in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow with a brand new vlog.